Hello, Craig here from Steams Online, and I'm super excited to introduce you to the new waitlist feature that we recently implemented in the Steams Online dashboard. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is the waitlist feature, right? So basically, the waitlist feature allows your students to secure a spot on the waitlist in case your class becomes fully booked, all right? Now, when they reserve that spot on the wait list, what's going to happen is if somebody cancels your class or they drop or withdraw from your class, for example, the system will automatically assign that seat to the person who is next in line on your wait list. So think about it this way. The waitlist feature is going to enhance the whole registration experience for both you and the students, right? Now, once it assigns the class to the student, you'll also receive an email notification that the system has assigned this class to student A. And student A will also receive an email notification as well, stating that they have been assigned to the class. Keep in mind that students have the ability to log into their student portal and remove themselves from the wait list. You as an administrator, a school administrator, could do the same, in addition to having access to reporting and having access to a list of all the students that are currently on your wait list. So without further ado, let's dive in real quick, and I'll show you how to activate the waitlist functionality within your Steams Online dashboard and walk you through the steps and show you how the process works. Now, to activate the waitlist, you want to click on System Settings, and then you want to click on Account Settings. On this page, you'll notice the option that says waitlist. I'm going to check that box. It's going to display another box that says remove waitlist. What this means is, and it's totally optional, but if you do check this box, it basically gives you an option to choose the number of days after which the student can stay on the waitlist. So if you choose 10 days or you choose 5 days, what's going to happen is 5 days after the start date of the class, the system is going to remove everyone from the waitlist. Okay? Now keep in mind again that this option is optional, so you don't have to choose any dates. But if you don't, all your students are just going to be on that wait list forever, okay? Now for our example, let's go ahead and choose 5 days, and I'm going to click Updates. Now, click on your dashboard to go into the class that you would like to implement the wait list for. And we're going to click on Class and Service. So for our example, I'm going to use the EKG class, so click on Edit. If I scroll down to the dates, as you can see, I already have a date set up. I could always go in here and click the number of wait lists available for this date. So by clicking the green button right here, and I could say, okay, we only have 5 seats on the wait list, and click Save, right? If you want to add additional dates, please feel free to do so by, you could either do reoccurring dates or fixed dates, all right? So for example, we're just going to do fixed dates. And I'm going to click on March 1st, March 7th. Give it a time, the number of seats. And also, we're going to enter the number of seats for the wait list. All right, so in our case, I'm just going to do 5. Scroll down and click Updates. And that's it. That takes care of my wait list here. All right, so notice my dates. So what's going to happen is, if I click here, what's going to happen is once this number of seat gets to 0, then the wait list option is going to show, right? So they would click on the waitlist button and register themselves for that class. All right. Now, once they register themselves for the class via the waitlist option, what's going to happen is you're also going to get a notification, right? You could also go in to view more information on who's on your waitlist. And to do so, you'll need to click on Student Management, and where it says Waitlist here, click on Waitlist. And this will give you the list of all your students that are currently on the waitlist. It gives you the class name and also the start date for the class. And it gives you the waitlist number, all right? So, for example, this yoga class for April 1st, this person is number 2 on the list. And this person, same class, they're number 1. So once the space becomes available, if it becomes available, the system is going to assign the class to the person next on the wait list, which is Sean right here, okay? So that's how that works. Now to view your reports, just click on waitlist reports. And from here, you have different types of reports that you could drill down deeper within each report. This gives you the historical data for your waitlist based on each year. And also, this gives you the data for the waitlist based on each class, all right? Now, that really covers the functionality for the waitlist feature that we currently implemented within the Steams Online platform. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reply to emails or reach out to support@steamsonline.com. Hopefully this feature actually makes your job so much more easier. That's the whole goal. Either way, please let us know. And thanks again for being a valued member of Steams Online, and looking forward to hearing from you. All right, bye.